Meaning of East End.
East End.
East End.
East End.
East End. East End typically refers to the eastern part of London, England, and is known for its working-class roots, diverse immigrant communities, historic landmarks, and vibrant culture. The area has undergone significant redevelopment in recent years, bringing with it new businesses, restaurants, and other modern amenities while also retaining its unique character and charm. The East End is home to a number of notable neighborhoods, including Whitechapel, Bow, Mile End, and Bethnal Green, each with its own distinct personality and appeal. Overall, the East End is a fascinating and dynamic region that continues to evolve over time.